everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. And today we're gonna start with your reasoning class, and that is the fourth topic of non-verbal reasoning, which we have to start with your analytical reasoning. And this is your class, which is your 202th class of the sessions as well. And in terms of, if I'm talking about the reasoning here, as you know that we had covered up the verbal reasoning, and we are in the verbal reasoning that has been divided into two parts, which is the general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In general mental ability, we had covered up your analogy, classification, series completion, as well as your coding and decoding, plus blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. Other than that, we'll deal with it, that is, we had completed the logic reasoning here in the verbal reasoning, which is logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, mysterious logical puzzle as well. In terms of we are dealing with that is the non-verbal reasoning, and where we had covered up the series. We have more than 1000 questions here, analogy 500 questions, classification near about 500 questions, and after that going ahead, and that is the analytical reasoning, which we have to start with it. This is the first class of analytical reasoning here. After that, we'll cover up many more topics that we have to cover up. First of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers. Please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So let's go ahead, and that's what we have to discuss here in the detailed. In analytical reasoning, first of all, you have to know what is analytical reasoning, and then after that you can process that, and you can just do it that in an easy way as well, so that you will get to know. And first of all, we'll go ahead detailed about analytical reasoning, because without knowing this, you cannot proceed further. In analytical reasoning, this chapter on analytical reasoning involves a problem relating to the counting of the geometrical figures in a given complex figure, the symmetric method for determining the number of any particular type of a figure by an analysis of the complex figure that would be cleared from the examples that follows here. Okay, so according to that, we have to cover up. Now we'll go ahead with the first questions of the sessions here, and that is also an important one. And on terms of it, the question number 1 we will discuss. Here the question is, what is the number of straight lines in the following figure? Following figure mein number of straight lines kitni hai? As you can see, the number of straight lines you have to count down, and just in this figure, and you have to name it out. So the options for this I will give you is, the option A is 11, 14, 18, 16 and 17, that we have an option here. So among these, that the figure is labeled to be like, we just label it out, that is your name A, B, C, D and E. These 5 lines have been named as A, B, C, D, where that is E, then we have F, G, then we have H, I, J, K, and this is your L, then this is your M, then we have here it is N, then this is your O, P, then we have Q, R, and this is S. So these we have named it out. So here clearly there are the 3 horizontal lines, namely A, E, L, F and K, G, and there are 5 vertices lines, that is AK, BJ, CI, DH and EJ here itself. And other than that, if I'm going ahead, there are 6 that is your slanting lines, LC, KE, IF, LI, AJ and CF. So thus there are lines that we will count it down, and that's what we even though have to talk about it. So now for the same sake, we have here as your 3 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 5 plus 11 plus 3, that is your, the answer will get 14 straight lines that in the figure. So hence the answer will be your 14. Okay, so the answer will be the 14 here. We'll go ahead with other question. This is your second question that we have to talk about. about it, where you have to count the number of triangles in the following figure. You have to, in this figure, you have to find out the number of triangles, and then you have to name it out as well. The options for this is your 8, 10, 12 and 14. So we first label the entire figure so that we'll get to know that what they have: A, B and C. Then we have D, E, F, G and H here, and this is your O. Okay, so in among these figures here, that is that the count the number of the simplest triangle, that the triangles we have here is your ABH and BHO, BCD, BOD, DEF, DFO, FGH and FHO. So thus there are 8 such triangles. Next, count the number of the triangles which are composed of the 2 components each, and such triangles are HBD, BDF and then you have DFH and FHB. So thus there are 4 such triangles. So the triangles with more than 2 components or do not exist in this figure. So thus the total number of the triangles in the given figure, the first we have is your 8 triangles, and we have a 4 triangles, so that is all total is your 12 triangles. So that we will find out. So the answer will be the 12 here. Now we'll go ahead with the third question that we have to talk about it, which is the third question. How many square does the figure have? आपको बताना है कितने स्क्वायर हैं इस फिगर में, and that is the options we'll tell about it, that is 6, 7, 9 and 10. So according to that we have to answer it out as well. So on the same cases, that the figure we have, that the figure that may be, you know, that labeled as to be shown, that we have to show it out, which is named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so this is named as like this, and the square composed of the 2 components each are like ABKH, ABKJ, then BCLK, then LEFG, then we have your that is KLGH, and then we have there are the 6 such squares here. After that only one square KCEG, that we have K, C, E and G, that is the KCEG is computed of 4 components, that 2 squares namely ACGI and that is BDFH are composed of 8 components each. So thus there are the 2 such squares as well. So we'll name that 6 plus 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 3 and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So we have here 9 squares here in this figure, that what we have to find it out. Let's go ahead with other one, that is your another one is your 4th question of the sessions here. How many parallelograms are there in the figure here below? So आपको parallelogram, number of parallelograms find out करने हैं. For that we have an option here which is 14, 15, 16 and 18. So that we have to find out. On that we can label the figure first: A, B, C, D. Then we have E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. Okay, so according to this, that the simplest parallelograms are A, B, F, E, B, C, G, F, C, D, H, G, E, F, G, A, I and F, G, K, J and G, H, K, L. So there are 6 in numbers. So we'll just write it down 6 here first. And then after that, the parallelogram composed of 2 components each are ACGE, BDHF, EGKI, FHLJ, ABJI, BCKJ and CDLK. So thus there are 7 such parallelograms. So 6 plus 7. So that is, and the parallelograms composed of 4 components each, we have ACKI, BDLJ, that is the number 2 in the number here. We'll add it on. Then there is only one parallelogram here named as So where we go ahead, that is your 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1, and that is equals to 7 plus 2 7 plus 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 2, that is your 16 here. That will be the right answer, that the 16 parallelograms in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with the fifth question here for the session, that is what is the number of rectangles in the following figure. इसमें rectangles कितने हैं, that you have to find out here in this figure. Now as you can see, the options for this we have is your 6, 7, 8 and 9. So among these, that the figure is to be labeled, first we'll label it out and then we'll talk about it, how many rectangles are there. This is A, then this is your E, F, G, K, I, J, H, G, D, L and C. So that we had named it out, and according to this here, that the simplest rectangle is AEHD, EFIH and FBKJ, JKCL and GICLD. That is, there are the 5 such rectangles, and the rectangle composed of 2 components each of AFIG and FBCL. Thus there are the 2 such rectangles. Only one rectangle, namely AFLD, is composed of 3 components, and only one rectangle, namely ABCD, is composed of 5 components. So thus there are, we can say that, which is your the 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, so that is equals to 9 rectangles in the figure, and that is the 9 will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with other question, that is another question is to determine the numbers of pentagons in the following figure. We have to find out the pentagons here. So where we start with another question that we have is your 6th question, that to determine the number of pentagons in the following figure. As I told you, this is a figure here, and the options for this is your 5, 6, 8 and 10. So here the figure that will be labeled, we will be going ahead with the labeled as that A, B, C, then we have D, E, F, G, H, I, and then we have here is your J, K and L here. This is being M here. So among these, that in the case of the 6 pentagons that have been formed by the combination of 3 triangles and 2 rhombus, so that is ADFHJ and CFHJL and EHJLB, GJLBD, ILBDF and KBDFH here, that as you can see, and these were the pentagon that they had been formed here. So with the same they formed for the 4 other pentagons that are formed with the combinations of the 3 triangles and 1 rhombus, that is LCFHM and LBEHM and then BKFHM and a BLI that we have formed here, that is your BLIFM. So thus there are 10 pentagons here, and that is we will be having the answer, which is your 10 here. Well, let's go ahead with other question, and that what we have to talk about it, which is how many straight lines are there in the following figure, that we have to find out कि कितनी straight lines इसमें हैं. So on the same basis, that how many straight lines are there in the following figure. The options we have is your, that is 9, 11, 15 and 48 here. So according to the question what they had given you, we have to answer it out. So the figure that will labeled it out is your, that is A, E, H, L, C, O, N, M, and that is your B. We had labeled A, B, C. Then we have your D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then M, N, O here, that respectively. So horizontal lines is D, E, F, H, I, L and B, C, that is your 4 in number. And standing lines, slanting lines, we have I, M, F, N, D, O, A, C, A, B, E, M and H, N, and that is we have 7 in number. So the total number of the lines we have is your 4 plus 7, which is equals to 11. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another one, that is your 8th question of the session that we have to talk about it, and which is another new question, that is another new important question here. Let's go ahead with that. So in terms of eighth question of the session, that what is the number of straight lines in the following figure? As you can see, this is the figure here that is being named here. The options for this is your 10, 12, 13 and 17, and for that we have to go ahead with the solution for this as well. And according to the figure, as you can see, we'll just label it out, and that is we have labeled it out A, B, C and D. That is your E, F, G, and then we have H here, that is I and J here as well. So in this figure, for the horizontal line is AC, HD and GE, that is 3 in number. The vertical lines are AG, BF and CE, that is 3 in number, and the slanting lines are AE, CD, AD, CG, DE and GD, that is in 6 in numbers. So there are in total, which we have is your 3 plus 3 plus 6, which is equals to 12. So that the total we have is 12 lines in all, and that will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with ninth question of the session, that is what is the number of straight lines in the following figures? And that is for that the figure we have, as you can see here, and that we numbered as, and in this particular figure the options for this we have 13, 15, 17 and 19. So let's number it out. This A, B, C, D, then we have E, F, G, H, then we have I, J, K and L, and here in this, that is your M, N, and this is O. So on these, this has been numbered here. Vertical lines are AD, EH, IL, F, G, B, C and JK, that is your 6. Horizontal lines are IJ, AB, EF, MN, HG, DC, LK, that is 7. So that we have the total numbers of lines we have is your, that is your which we have is your 6 plus 7, and that is equals to 13. So the answer we will get is your 13. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, which is another question, that is the 10th question of the session. State the minimum number of straight lines required to make the figure given below. Here it's that we have a figure here, as you can see, and the figure, for that figure we have here, the options for this figure we have is 16, 17, 18 and 19, and that we have to name it out, and then we have to go ahead as well. So for that we have A, B, C, D, E, then this is your F, G, H, then we have H, then we have here I, J, this is K, and that is your, here it is L, okay, and this is M. So this is all we had numbered it out, and according to this we have to answer it out as well. So on the same cases here, that the horizontal lines are IJ, AB, HG and DC, that is 4, and vertical lines are AD, EH, KM, FG and BC, that is 5, and slanting lines are DE, CF, IE, EK, JF and KF and DH and CG, that is 8. So we have in total, which is that we have is your 4 plus 5 plus 8 is equals to 17, that we have as an answer. We'll go ahead with other question, that is your 11th question of the session, that we have to go ahead. What is the number of straight lines and the numbers of triangles in the given figure? And that the figure we have, as you can see here, and that for that we have as an option as well, and that is also an important one with respect towards the competition. The options we have 10 straight lines and 34 triangles, 9 straight lines and 34 triangles, 9 straight lines and 36 triangles, and 10 straight lines and 36 triangles as well. So for that we will just name it out, and that we have is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. This is what we have. So here horizontal line is DF and BC, that is 2. Vertical lines are DG, AH and FI, that is 3. Slanting lines are DC, EB, AB and AC, that is 4. So thus there are lines that we have as your 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 9. Straight lines in the figure. Now we shall count the numbers of triangles in the figures here, which is DJK, FLC, DKB, LIC and KGB, AEF, AED and EFJ and EDJ and FJL. So thus there are 10 such triangles, and the triangles composed of only the two components are AJF, AJD, FJC, DJB, JHC, JHB, as well as FIC, DJB and DGB and ADF and DFG. So thus there are the such triangles as well. The triangle composed of the three component are DFK and FDL. So there are two such triangles, and there are triangles composed of the four components are ABJ, ACJ, DFB, FDC, DGC, FIB and JBC. So that is, we have a 7 in numbers. And then we have the triangles composed of 6 components is AHB, AHC, DAC, FAB, DBC and FBC. That is your 6 in number. So there is only one triangle composed of 12 component, that this triangle in ABC here. Contrary, that we have the triangles that composed of the three component, that is DFK, FDL here. And other than that, if I'm going ahead with the that there are the such components here, and that the triangle composed of the four component is AVJ, ACJ, DFB, FDC and DGC and FIB and JBC. So there is 7 in numbers as well, as I told you. And the triangles that compose of 6 component is AHB, AHC, DAC, FAB and DBC and FBC, that is 6 in number. So there is only one triangle composed of 12 component, that the triangle is ABC. So we'll just count it down. 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 36 triangles in the figure here. We'll go ahead with other question that we have to talk about it. In this figure, how many triangles and squares are there in the following figures? Options for this we have here is 28 triangles, 5 squares, 24 triangles, 4 squares, 28 triangles, 4 squares and 24 triangles, 5 squares. So for that we have to go ahead and that we have to answer it out as well. First we name it out, the figure that we have to label it out: A, B, C, D. This is your E. Then we have E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So that we have. So here the triangles, the simplest triangles are ABI, BIJ, GIH, HIA and BCJ and CFJ, FGJ and GBJ, CDK, DEK, EFK and FCK. So there are in 12 numbers. So we write it down 12. And then we have the triangles composed of two components, that is ABJ, BGH, GHA, HAB, BCF, CFG and FGB, GBC, CDE, DEF, EFC and FCD. So that is also in 12 numbers. So we'll just 12 add in on. Then after that, their triangles composed of 4 components is AGC and BC, BFD, HFG and GCE. So there are in the 4 numbers, so plus 4. Then these were 12 plus 12 plus 4, so 12 plus 24 plus 4, that is equals to 28 triangles here. Now we'll go ahead for the triangles here. Then we'll talk about the squares here, and that is the square composed of the two components are BIGJ and CJFK, that is 2, and squares composed of 4 components ABGH, BCFG and CDEF, so that is 3. So 2 plus 3 is your, that is of course 5 that we have here. Okay, so that will be the right answer. Now we'll go ahead with another question, and that is your 13th question of the session that we have to talk about it. The question for this is count the number of the triangles and squares in the following figure, as you can see here. The options for this is 28 triangles 10 squares, 28 triangles 8 square, 32 triangles 10 squares, and 32 triangles 8 squares as well. So for that we have to name it out first. As I told you many times, that first figure you have to name it out. The name it out is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Then we have I, J, K, L, M, N, O and P. Then this is the center one is your Q. So among these here, and in the same case we'll have to find out here is your triangles, squares here, so that we have to go ahead. In this, the triangles, if I'm talking about, for the same sake, that is in the following figure, that the simplest triangle is LIQ, JKQ here, and that is your the KLG, LMQ, MNQ, NOQ and OPQ, PIQ, that is your 18 numbers. The triangle composed of the two components are ABQ, BCQ, CDQ and DEQ and EFQ and FGQ, GHQ, HAQ, LKQ, KMQ, MOQ and OIQ, that is 12 in numbers. And the triangle is composed of the four components that are ACQ, CEQ, EGQ, GAQ, IKM, KMO, MOI and OIK, that is 18 numbers. And the triangle is composed of 8 components are ACE, CEG, EGA and GAC, that is in 4 in numbers. So thus there are we have is your 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4, that is equals to 32 triangles. This is all about triangles. Now we'll talk about the squares here. The square composed of the two components, which is your LIQP, IJQP, JKLQ, LMNQ and OPQN, that is your 4 in numbers. The square composed of the four components are ABQH, BCDQ, OQDEF and HQFG, that is 4 in numbers. The only square composed of 8 components is IKMO, and that is there is only one square is composed of 16 components, which is ACEG. So hence for that we have here, which is your 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, so that is 4 plus 4 8 plus 2, that is your 10 here. That will be the right answer. The 10 squares in the figures here, that will be the right answer for this question as well. Count the number of triangles in the following figures, and as you can see the figures here, options we have 15, 16, 17 and 18, and for that we have to find out as well. So here we named as, that is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So count the numbers of the simple triangle, that there are these are AFC, AFB, BGF, CGF, CGE, BGD, EHG and DHG. So there are 8 such triangles. Next, count the numbers of the triangles which are composed of 2 small triangles each, and these are ABC, ACG, CGB, ABJ and GDE. So thus there are 5 such triangles. And also count the numbers of triangles, each of the which contain 3 small triangles. These were BCD, CEB, EDC and EDB. So thus there are 4 such triangles. So consequently we can say that here, which is your 8 plus 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. So that's 17 triangles we have in a figure here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, that is the question that we have is the 15th question of the session. How many rectangles does the following figure have? The figure, as you can see here, this has been the figure here. For the options for this we have is your 10, 12, 13 and 14 here, and that we have to answer it out as well. So according to that, first we'll name it out as I told you. So just we'll start with that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then we have, this is your common is I. Then J, K, L, M, N, O, P and Q. So this is being named as, so the rectangle composed of here that we have is your two components, JKBH, LMDB, NOFT and PQHF is your foreign numbers. The rectangle composed of four components are ACDH, BCEF, DEGH and FGAB, foreign numbers. The rectangle composed of six components are HLMF, BNOH, PQBD and JKDF, that is foreign numbers. The rectangle composed of 8 components are JK and Q, NO and that is PQLM, that is twin numbers, and hence the total number of rectangles in the figure is, that we'll talk about it, which is your 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 14. That will have as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and that what we have to talk about it, which is the 16th question of the session, and that we have how many triangles are there in the figure. So the triangles we have to see in this figure here, and this has been the important question because this has been asked in IAS question paper as well. Options for this is 5, 6, 8 and 10. So let's label it out first, that as I told you many times here. So this is your A, B, that we have C, D and E, then we have F, G, H, I and J. So here the simplest triangle is AJF that we have, and then we have your that is BFG, CGH and DHI, and then EGI, that is your 5. The triangle is having 3 parts as AIC, ADG and EHB, EFC and DGB, that is also 5. So there are 10 triangles in a figure. The answer will be the 10 triangles here. Let's go ahead with another one, that what we have to talk about it, which is the another question here, and that is the question is the 17th question of the session, and this is a figure for that as well. So here in this the question, as you can see here, that the question is count the number of triangles in the figure given below, and this has been the options we have is your 18, 20, 24, 27. And for that solution for this we have to first we'll have to name it out, and that we have which is also an important one, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then we have I, this is J, and this is K, L, M, N, O, P, Q that we have. So here that the simplest triangles are BCG, BCJ and CDK, that KL, O, LMQ, FGM, GHN and NOI, IJO, and that is your 18 numbers. And the triangle composed of the two components each are AOB, DEO, EFQ, AOH, GIF, CIP, CLP, GLB, KLM, and NIJ, NIJ, and they are 10 in numbers. The triangle is composed of the 4 components each of ABH, DE, F, ICL, CLG, LJI and GIC, that is 6 in numbers. On the total numbers of the triangles of the figures we have 8 plus 10 plus 6, 10, 8, 18 plus 6 is your 24. So the total number of triangles we have is your 24. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead further, that what we have the another question is your 18th question of the session, and that is also a very important question here that we talk about it. Let's go ahead. Now we'll talk about 18th question of the session. Count the number of triangles in the following figure. This has been asked in your hotel management question paper, and that is also an important one here. For this options which we have is your 27, 25, 23 and 21. So first we'll label it out, and that we have to label it out here has to be as follows. This has been A, B, C, then we have your D, E, F, then we have G, H, I, then this is your the J, that we have here I, then we have L, M, K, N, that we have respectively. So the simplest triangles are G, KL, MHN, and then DLJ and DMJ, and then after that we have your QRE, OPFPIA and IRA, that is your 8 here. And then the triangles having a 2 components each of, that are BDO, CDQ, and DLM, PRA, KFI, and EI, HJI, it's GJI, DKI, and DNI, that is 10. The triangles having the 4 components each are DIE, DFI, DOA, and DQA, and DHI is your 5. The triangles having a 6 components, that are DCA and DVA, that is 2. And DEF is the only triangle having an 8 component, and ABC is the only triangle having a 12 component. So thus there are we have is your, which we have to go ahead, and that we have is your, which is your 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 27. That 27 triangles in the figure, which we have as follows. Now we'll go ahead with another one, and that is the another question is your 19th question of the session, that we have as follows. So here we go ahead, and that count the numbers of the squares in the figures given below. And this is the figure here. The options for this is 13, 16, 19, and 20. So for that we have to solve it out. Before starting with that, we have to label it out as well. So the A, B, C, D that we have, and sorry, B, C, D, and E. Then we have here, which is after E, then we have your F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Then we have here is your M, N, O. Then we have P, we have Q, R, S, T, and this is your U, that we have as follows, as you can see here. And that we have to go ahead as well. So other than that, if I'm talking about here in these, that the simplest squares are BCNM, CDON, HIRQ, and SRIJ, and that is your 4. And the squares composed of the 2 component is MN, that is MNUT, NOPU, and UPQR, and TURS is your 4. The square composed of the 5 components are CEF, IJ, and GIUF, and that is IKLU, and ACUL, that is 4. And the squares composed of 6 components are BDPT, and TPHJ is 2. And there is only one square is MOQS, composed of 8 components. There are only one squares in AEGK, composed of 20 components. And so hence there are, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, so that is 16 squares in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, which is another one question. It's your 20th question of the session, that is how many rectangles are there in the given figure. So given figure mein kitne rectangles hain. This has been the important question because this has been asked in SSC examination paper, and this is a figure as you can see here, and which is named as so this we'll go ahead with the labeling here, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. This has been named as, so the simplest rectangle BCJI, IJGH, CDEJ, and JEFG, that is your 4. The rectangle composed of 2 components are BDEI, IEFH, and CDFG, and BCGH, that is 4. The only rectangle composed of 4 components is BDFH, and thus there are 4 plus 4 plus 4, that will go ahead. 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 9. So 9 rectangles that is in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, that what we have to talk about it, and that is the another question is your 21st question of the session. How many triangles does the following figure have? We have to find out that, and that is the 21st question of the sessions as well. So in this, the options we have 36, 40, 44, 48, and the figure as you can see here, which we have to first name it out. Let's go ahead. A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, HIJKLMNOP QRSTUVWXY that we have. So here now in the simplest triangles are here in the same case, that is your APQ, QTU, UXY, YKYC, AEQ, QRU, UVY, YJC, BGS, SRU, UTW, WND, BHS, SVU, UXW and WMD, and that is your 16. And the triangles having a two components each, that is QUS, SUY, WUY and QUY is your 4. The triangles having a three components each, AFU, UIC, AOU, ULC, UOD and ULD, that is BFU and BIU, that is your 8 here that we have to talk about it. The triangles having a four components is QSY, SQW, SVY, SYW and QWY is 4. The other triangle having 6 components each are ABU, ADU, CDU and CBU is 4. The triangles having 7 components each as ANY, AGY, QMC, QHC, BJW, BEW, SKD and DPS, that is 8. The triangles having a 12 components such that ADC, BDC, ABC, ABD is 4. So there are in total, that is your 16 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, which is your 48 triangles in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, that is the another important question that we have to talk about it, and that we have is your the another 25th question of the sessions here. How many squares are there in the figure given below? This has been asking your 16th grade question paper here. This is the figure here. The options for this we have 12, 13, 16 and 17, and for that we have here that we named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Then we have M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T that we have. So here the simplest square we have VRWY and YWSX, UYXT and QV by W, YU, that is 4. The square composed of the 4 components are QRST and JOY, that is your QYP, MLYP, and that INYM, that is your 5. And the square composed of 7 components EBFY, YFC, HYGD and AEYH, that is 4 here. And so that on the same respective manner that the squares MNOP is composed of that is of 12 components that we talk about it, and the square that we have your IJKL is composed of the 16 components here, and that we have on the same cases the squares EFGH is composed of 24 components, and the square ABCD is composed of 28 components. So for that we have here is your 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 17 squares in the figures here. Now we'll talk about the 23rd question of the session, is that what we have to discuss here, and which is to be as follows. The 23rd question of the session, where count the numbers of the triangles in the following figure here, and that we have, and which is on the same cases. The options we have, the figure we have is this, and the options is 8, 10, 11 and 12, and that is also an important one here. On the same cases we have to first figure it out. First we have to name it out, that what we are dealing with, and just we'll go ahead with the naming here. A, B, C, D, E, F and this is G. So here that's the simplest triangles is your ABG, BCG, CDE, GDE, AGE, AFE, that is your 6 here. The another is your triangle composed of 2 triangles, each are ABC, ABE, ACE, BCE, that is 4. There are that we have is your 6 plus 4 equals to 10 triangles in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, that what we have to talk about is another question as your 24th question of the sessions that we have to go ahead. And how many triangles are there in the following figure that we have? The figure we can see that that the representation of the figure which we have as follows. This is a figure, and that option we have is 20, 24, 28 and 32. So for that we have to go ahead, the figure which will be named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J that we have. So here the simplest triangles are ABJ, AGF, CHD, HDE, BGI, BCI, HCI, HGI and CHJ, HEJ, EFJ and GFG. So that is GFJ, that is your 12th, and the triangle composed of two triangles are ABF, CDE, BCG, BCH, SCG, BHG, GHE, HEF, GFE and GHF, that is your 10. And the triangle composed of the triangles are ABH, AFH, CDG and GDE, that is your 4. The triangle composed of the four triangles are BHF and CD, that is 2. The total number of the triangles we have, and that is your the 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 28. The answer will be having is your 28 here will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with the further one that we have to talk about, which is your 25th question of the session. And how many triangles are there in the following figure? This has been asking you SSC examination paper as well. The options for this we have here is your 12, 13, 14 and 15. So for that we have to go ahead, we'll just name it out first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So here in the same case that the simplest triangles are CHI, GHI, BCI, EFG, AFE and ABF is 6, and the triangle composed of the two components are ABE, BHF, BEI, CGH, BCH and AAG, that we have is just 6. The triangle composed of the three components are ABH, BCE and CED is 3. So hence the total numbers of the triangles in the figure we have 6 plus 6 plus 3 is equals to 15, that we have as an answer. We'll go ahead with another question, and that what we have to go ahead is your count the numbers of the triangles in the figures here, and that we have as follows, which is your the options we have is 23, 27, 29 and 31 here. That what is we have is your count the numbers of the triangles in the following figure that we have. First of all we label it out, and that is the options for this we'll talk about it. And for that we have an options, and that we have as follows. The options we have for this figure is your that is 23, 27, 29 and 31. And for that we will be going ahead to solve it out, and we will just name it out, and then we after that we will persist. That is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then we have I, J, then we have K, L, M and N. So in the same case in the figure that has been labeled here, as you can see, the simplest triangles that are AN that L and HLG, and then we have HMG, and then BHM, BFM, MGF, and we have your BIJ, FIC, CNF, NFE, and then we have CNJ, NJE and JKE and JDK, that is your 14 here, 14 simplest triangle. The triangles composed of the two simple triangles are AHG, GHB, HBF, BFG, FGH, BFC, CFE, EFJ, CEJ, CFJ and JED, that is 11. So the triangles composed of four simple triangles are AGB, GBC, ACB and CED, that is 4. So all total we have here is your 14 plus 11 plus 4, which is equals to your 29. We have 29 triangles in the figure here. Now we'll go ahead with the next and the last question of the session that will end up here is your 27th question of the session. The question we have here for this that is what is the number of triangles in the figure. The triangles in the figure, the options for this we have is your 22, 24, 26 and 28. And for that same cases we will just label it out the figure as well first. That is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, that we have here. On this, that the simplest triangle are AGH, GFO, LFO, DJK, EKP, PEL and IMN, that is your 7. And the triangles having a two components each of GFL, KEL, AMO, NDP, VHN, CMJ, NEG, HFM, that is 8. And the triangles having a three components each are IOE, IFP, BIF, CEI, that is 4. The triangles having a 4 component each are ANE and FMD is 2. Triangles having 5 components each are FCK, BGE and ADL, that is 3. And the triangles having a 6 component each we have BPF and that COE, that is 2. The total number of the triangles in the figures we have is your 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is equals to 26. The answer we'll get is the 26 here. So here we'll end up with, and other than that, if I'm going ahead, we had completed the sociology and we had started with the software engineering there, and that we had completed unit 1, unit 3, unit 2, unit 3, and we had started with unit 4 as well, that we have to complete it down. And after that, if I'm talking about the quantitative aptitude that we are dealing here, and which is we had completed the arithmetical ability, and that is your operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, and we are dealing with simplification here. After that, we are dealing with the chemistry for the class 12, and that is for the academic and as well as for the competition as well. That has been important because that has been the NCERT we are dealing with, so that is also an important one. You can go through with the playlist here. After that, if I'm going ahead, in the verbal, in terms of reasoning that we are talking about, so we are dealing with the general mental ability, which is the general mental ability. We had completed the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking, time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. Other than that, logic reasoning we had dealing with, that is logic, statement, argument, statement, assumption, statement, course of action, statement, conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question, statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzle here. After that, in non-verbal reasoning, we had done more than 1000 question of series, 500 question of analogy, 500 question of classification, and we had started with analytical reasoning as we had completed 27 question here. After completing that, we will start discussing about mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern figure, matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, construction of squares and triangles, figure formation analysis, and then practice question paper here. So here we'll end up with, and first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So thank you, and thanks for appreciation and support. Thank you.